everyone, so I'm here from car.It, and today we are going to do something very cool. We're going to do my first ever remote control with you. So here is the actual remote control. Pretty cool. When you turn it on, boom, there it goes. In real life, it's sort of a reddish, but on camera, it's like white reddish. That's cool. And here is the car itself. I'll give you a 360 of the car. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This wheel has tape on because my brother broke it. See, he's literally bad. So that's cool. There's remote control, and then here it is. It's like, and it has suction cups in the back, so put sticker, and then turn it. But if you want to, you can pretend like my own. So remote control is switched on and off on the car. Is on and off, then it's on. And as you can see, when you press a button and they're both on, where's this one? Nice though. Isn't that cool? That's good. That's cool. And then you can stick the thing onto the floor. It can go on carpet if you have a carpet in your house. It can go on carpet. Okay, and then you can pretend it's like, stop, you don't have enough road to go to 18 miles an hour. Roads, where we're going, you don't need roads. And M2HD, please watch this video. You will remember it from, stop, we don't have enough 80 remote road to go 18 miles an hour. Road, where we're going, you need road. We'll fly to the future. M2HD, or Evan and Gillian, please watch this video. It's great. As you can see, it's very cool. Or just Mario, and here is the car coming to you. And the cool thing is, you can actually, that car there, it can actually help older people. You can put spoon or forks in, and then it will help them get their food. You can just deliver the spoon to them. Give a spoon to them. I've used most of the batteries, so with this spoon, just a spoon, and yeah, so that's that. And then let's turn everything off. So that's a review. And the one thing I just want to show you is the person who gave me this is actually that. Is actually that girl. That's my dad. Sitting right there next to my dad. CC, please, thank you very much for this remote control toy. It's very cool. That's the next video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to car.It. Don't forget to subscribe to the featured channels like Crafty Keen and how to do. Goodbye.